Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can colorize a photo in Canva. So if you go to apps here, you're going to search for Colorize, and you're just going to select the app here, and you're going to select open. Then you can either choose file or I guess select the image, so just press on it and then select colorize and replace. Then it's going to colorize your image. Please wait, complete images may take a little complex. Sorry, I'm like blind in my left eye, so it's very hard to see. And as you can see, it added color to the picture. That is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!